Living on the moon isn't just about oxygen, it's about surviving the crushing, eternal gray of a lunar vacuum. Sterile LEDs will break your mind, so we're rewriting the physics of light. Discover how we're using bioluminescent rhythms and atmospheric diffusion to turn a cold lunar base into a cinematic sanctuary. Forget the dull, industrial look of 20th century space travel. We are sculpting light to bring Earth's golden hour to the lunar surface, using shifting amber hues and orbital physics. This is how we're blending high-fashion cinematography with deep space survival. To design the most beautiful interior in the solar system, the lunar shadow is one of the harshest environments known to man. But what if we could manipulate it? By mimicking Earth's atmospheric scattering within a pressurized dome, we've created a lighting system that fights the psychological toll of space. Step inside the first moon base designed for human emotion. Analyze how the current 2026 Lunar Gateway standards prioritize utility over human biological needs. Contrast the blinding glare of unfiltered solar radiation with the monochromatic monotony of regolith interiors. Introduce the concept of light as a survival tool rather than a luxury for long-term lunar habitation. Demonstrate how nanotechnology-infused glass can scatter light to mimic the Rayleigh scattering of our home planet. Explore the use of liquid-filled light pipes that simulate the gentle shimmer of water and sky movement. Explain the physics of transforming harsh, directional sunbeams into soft, ambient glows that define room depths. Detail the implementation of shifting amber spectrums that synchronize with human hormones during the 14-day lunar night. Show how dynamic color temperatures prevent the cognitive decline associated with eternal gray environments. Discuss the integration of smart glass windows that modulate opacity to simulate a familiar 24-hour day-night cycle. Propose the replacement of traditional flickering LEDs with integrated biological light sources like genetically modified algae. Highlight the psychological comfort of living alongside organic, passing light that responds to human presence. Outline the oxygen recycling benefits of using living light walls within the confined pressure halls of the base. Review how high-fashion interior design principles are being used to eliminate the claustrophobia of deep space shadows. Examine the role of tactile lighting in creating zones of privacy and community within small lunar modules. Conclude with a vision of the moon not as a laboratory, but as a vibrant, luminous sanctuary for the next generation.